Alright guys, I just got to the creek that I'm fishing today. I'm not sure what's in this creek. I've never fished it before, but yeah, let's get at it. Just got another one. This one is I think it's a green sunfish, but it's the second species, so yeah, here, I'll go ahead and show you it. Hold on. Yeah, just a little green sunfish. So I'll go ahead and throw him back and we'll keep fishing. Here's the release. Oh, there he goes. Quick. Alright, get back to you guys in a second. Alright, so we got another little good sized creek chub. He's right here. He's got different colors than the others. He's like a purplish, if you can see it. So yeah, I'll let him go and then let's catch another. See you guys in a second. Here's the release. And there he goes. Alright, catch you guys in a second. I just wanted to show you guys what I've been fishing. It's this branch that's fallen down into the water. And a whole bunch of leaves stacked up, and they're all stacked under the leaves. So yeah, here's a clip. They're all stacked up under those leaves right there. And over here, under the branch. Alright guys, so I just packed up and I'm going to move upstream to see if there's any more fish up there. And I also have to figure out how to get up this giant thing. So yeah, here we go. Oh God! Alright, that wasn't too bad. Slipped once, but yeah, let's get back to fishing. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wrap it up. I moved down or up creek and I didn't catch anything else, so I think I'm done today. It's starting to get a little dark and it's been a good day. So yeah, until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. See ya.